Hello kids, welcome to my channel Kids Teaching Hub. Today we are going to learn match the letters with pictures. So let's start. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll, E for egg, F for fan, G for goat, H for hen, I for ice cream. J for jug, K for kite, L for line, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.